Hey there friends, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to shut down or restart your computer. Before we begin, just a heads up, I won't be performing a full shutdown or restart during this tutorial to avoid stopping the screen recording. Instead, I'll guide you step by step through the process. First is to look for the start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on the start button to open the start menu. In the Start menu, you'll see a power icon. Click on it to reveal the power options. From the power options, you have three choices. First is to sleep, shut down, or restart. Sleep puts your computer into a low power state but keeps your current session and running programs intact. It's like pausing your computer, and it's useful for short periods when you want to quickly resume your work. Shutdown completely turns off your computer, closing all running programs and powering off the system. You should use this option when you're done using your computer for the day or when you won't be using it for an extended period. For the restart, this will shut down your computer and then automatically turn it back on. You should use this option when you've installed new software or made changes that require a restart to take effect. After making your choice, your computer may automatically perform the selected action without showing a confirmation prompt. Some systems are configured to do this to expedite the process. Your computer will now either shut down, restart, or go into sleep mode depending on your choice. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to shut down or restart your computer. I hope this tutorial was helpful and you now feel confident managing your computer's power settings. See you on my next video and happy computing!